Ranjit Singh ji, thank you so much for giving us time. Um, we just want to know about your life in France, your struggle to safeguard, your rights, your cultural rights, your religious rights, and also now your journey back home. To begin with, we just want to know when did you go to France?
I went in January 91. I came from German and entered France in 91 January. And after that, 92, I got papers, all with a photo in my turban. And there were no problem. And 2002, there was some problem because some Muslim girls, they started coming to the schools with burqa or scarf. And French parents, they objected to it. A lot of opposition was there. There was a Stasi commission in 2002 or 3. So that commission gave the verdict that no religious symbol will be allowed in the school, colleges, etc. So that was, it was very strictly enforced by the French government. And whenever we approach Justice Ministry, Assembly, Senate, and Interior Minister, you call Home Minister, all of them told us that it is not for you, and we will find out a way out for you. It is only because we are fed up with these Muslim girls. That's why you are just involved in this. So we are hoping that they will do something. But it was just just to fool us, and they were trying to make the rule more strict. Slowly, when the commission gave its report, and it was very strictly enforced, and our Sikh leaders who are there for the last 30 years and controlling the Gurdwara, etc., political party also, none of them represented Sikhs before the commission. And even though I requested them, they knew French, their children born in French, nobody bothered. When the decision came, then they started running here and there. Lastly, Sardar Kapal Singh Patti and Sardar Guldar Singh made a Dastar Action Committee, and they started all the interviews and meetings with the high officials. They came to India 2 times on deputation. They met Manmohan Singh ji, Sonia Gandhi, Home Minister, President, and Punjab Governor, Punjab Chief Minister, all. Shomani Committee, but none of them took any interest. Nobody helped. So we have to remove the trouble there. When my turn in 2002 came, that to renew my old documents, they asked me for bareheaded. I said my religion does not permit me, so I can't do it. They said that then we can't give any papers. Anyway.
But the turban, do you consider turban a religious identity or a cultural identity?
No, it is not cultural. You see, it is cultural means there are Rajputs are also tying, there are other people are tying. That is something else. It is a religious identity. Symbols are 5 kakars. It is not in the five kakars. It is out of that. Because without kakar is removed, nobody can say that you are not Sikh. But when the star is not there, he does not remain Sikh. It is my identity. It is my national identity. So that's why calling it a culture, I don't think it is right. I don't consider that.
You consider it to be a religious identity. Even though it is not part of the kakars, you term it as a religious identity.
I don't exist as a Sikh. I cease to be Sikh, I think. And more I want to tell you, when I was very child, you see 10 years or 9 years, my maternal grandmother, she used to narrate me stories in the night when we sleep on the same big bed, that two Sahibzada Guru Gobind Singh, they were bricked alive in the wall, but they are compressed on their faith. My dear grandson, in your life, anytime it comes, don't compromise. Number 2, when I went to France, in 92, one Sikh met me who was in charge of Commonwealth graves. He gave me the address. I took some people, went to the Commonwealth graves. It is 220 kilometers from Paris. There is Nav Chapel is the place. I got the photos also. I visited there. There the mayor told me that when the Sikhs were asked by the British army to remove and put the helmet in the war, first and second war, they said we can't remove it, we can't remove the turban. They said if you are hit on head and die, then you will not get any. They came in writing that we will not ask any compensation if you die with the injury in the head. And they did so. Nobody died with bullet in the head, and they never compromised. That gave me the inspiration again, second time. That is I kept in mind, and when it came, I said I can't move it. You can remove my head, but you cannot remove my trap. I have filed a case as per the rules within 2 months in the tribunal, Paris. They reject after 3.5 years. Once my social worker telephoned them, and she told me that it is intentionally they are holding your case so that you are fed up and get away from France. Anyway, I waited 3.5 years. Then rejected on security risk. Then we filed in the higher court, and this court lower I fought myself. No Gurudwara, no Sikhs quoted me. High Court, Sardar Iqbal Singh Bhatti, Sardar Gurjal Singh. They made a Dastar commission. He was President Gurjal Singh. Bhatti Sahab was a secretary. Then they all expenses they shared. When it came to United Nations and Supreme Court, United Sikh Organization, Bibi Majinder Paul Kaul was director in France. Europe, and one more gentleman from America. They filed our case through their advocates in New York at the UNHRC, United Nations Human Rights Committee, and with their efforts, we filed there. And after 2-3 years, the result came in my favor. They asked the government of France to comply with the UN decision, which they are signatory. But they said, since in one case the decision was in our favor from the human rights courts in Hague, and you are giving it against us, we can't comply with it. They did not comply, and I lost all the benefits which I was enjoying since '92. That means I was getting house rent, medical facilities free, travel facility, anywhere I can go, bus, train, and everything, social security, everything, I lost it. Anyway, I did not bother about it. Some of my friends, Gurjal Singh, Iqbal Singh Bhatti, one more, Manoj Kar sitting they are helping me, and I could pull on with this old age.
So how did you like managed your life there after these facilities were they just withdrew these facilities? How you were earning something? Were you working
No,
since 1992?
those 3 boys were there in my room. They were looking after me every week.
They know you? They were your
The
relatives?
3 boys, they have got papers from Italy, but working in France. They were in my room because I was alone. I had 2 rooms, so I gave one room to them free of charge.